HOPEWIND is supporting India's ambitious renewable energy needs and goals through targeted innovations in the string inverter portfolio, which is designed to address the country's specific environmental and grid conditions. So our string inverters are designed to maintain high efficiency and full power output even in extreme heat. For instance, our 385 kilowatt inverter will generate 385 kilowatt for the utility scale projects at 40 degrees, while our industry leading 150 kilowatt string inverter, the most powerful in its class and which operates without derating at the desired temperature. We are launching is the 150 kilowatt string inverters for CNI, and it is supercharged with the advanced SiC technology for peak efficiency. It is engineered for reliable performance in demanding conditions. It features IP66 C5 M-rated armored enclosure, smart cooling for full power output at the desired temperature, and comprehensive grid support with safety features. So this includes that 20 millisecond AFCI plus shutdown, LVRT, HVRT and nighttime SVG. So this includes that 20 millisecond AFCI plus shutdown, LVRT, HVRT and nighttime SVG. Various grid forming capabilities that our inverters have. Reactive power through reactive power control and low voltage ride through, which is LVRT. Our grid forming technology has a proven track record in operational solar plants, which meets the stringent requirements, including a 3x overload capability for 10 seconds. So we can provide that. So HOPEWIND provides a very holistic ecosystem of solutions that go beyond just inverters to maximize maximum project returns. So from high efficiency string inverters to fully integrated energy storage systems, our products are designed to work seamlessly together, optimizing energy yield and providing reliable backup power. Our smart cloud platforms leverage AI and data analytics to enable predictive maintenance, real-time monitoring and performance optimization, significantly reducing downtime and operational cost. So these inverters are built to withstand harsh environments. Our product features IP66 protection against dust and moisture, along with the corrosion resistant coatings, guaranteeing long-term performance and of course the reliability. We are launching our advanced central PCS for utility scale projects. So we will be showcasing our high power central PCS, which is the power conversion system, which utilizes liquid cooling technology to operate at full load in high temperatures. You know, the temperatures in India goes up to 50 degrees. So we provide our full load capacity till the 51 degrees Celsius. This innovation significantly boosts the return on investment for large scale solar and storage power plants.